Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about Introduction to Scikit-Learn. Scikit-Learn is a renowned machine learning library in Python that offers a plethora of tools for constructing and evaluating machine learning models efficiently. Leveraging the robust foundations of NumPy, SciPy, and Matplotlib, Scikit-Learn seamlessly interfaces with various data science libraries to enhance the machine learning workflow. For instance, Scikit-Learn can be utilized to create and assess predictive models for tasks such as spam email detection or sentiment analysis in social media data. A common industrial training tool for data mining and analysis is the Weka software, which offers a range of machine learning algorithms for supervised and unsupervised learning tasks. Weka provides built-in tools for model selection and evaluation, making it a simple and efficient choice for professionals seeking to analyze and extract insights from datasets. With its array of algorithms and user-friendly interface, Weka is a valuable resource for individuals looking to delve into the world of data science and machine learning. In the provided example, a decision tree classifier from Scikit-Learn is utilized to predict customer purchases based on age and income data. The model is trained using X-train and Y-train datasets, representing input features and target labels respectively. Following this, the trained model is used to predict outcomes on unseen data, X-test. Decision trees are suitable for tasks where interpretability is valuable, as they create a tree-like structure of decisions. For instance, in a retail scenario, a decision tree could be employed to predict whether a customer will buy a specific product based on their demographic details. The process involves creating a tree that splits data into subsets based on selected features, aiming to maximize prediction accuracy. These splits continue recursively until a stopping criterion is met, such as a specified tree depth or minimum number of samples per leaf node. Finally, predictions are made based on these learned decision rules. It is crucial to evaluate the model's performance using metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, or F1 score to assess its effectiveness in making predictions based on age and income for customer purchases. The provided code snippet exemplifies the typical workflow in supervised machine learning. Firstly, the feature matrices X-train and X-test contain the input features of the training and testing datasets respectively. These matrices serve as the input data for model training and prediction. Next, the Y-train variable corresponds to the target output for the training dataset. It contains the expected outcomes that the model will be trained to predict based on the input features. The fit method is then utilized to train the machine learning model on the training data. This process involves the model learning patterns and relationships within the data to make accurate predictions. Subsequently, the predict method is applied to the testing data, X-test, to generate predictions based on the trained model. These predictions can be compared against the actual outcomes, Y-test if available, to evaluate the model's performance on unseen data. In essence, the model is trained on the provided training data and then used to forecast outcomes for new, unseen data points. This predictive capability is a fundamental aspect of machine learning in various domains, such as finance, predicting stock prices, healthcare, diagnosing diseases, and e-commerce recommendation systems. Scikit-Learn, a robust Python library, is essential for machine learning tasks. It offers various algorithms and tools for model creation and assessment, catering to users at all skill levels. For instance, a data scientist can utilize Scikit-Learn to apply algorithms like decision trees or linear regression for predictive analysis. This library serves as a fundamental asset for professionals aiming to streamline their machine learning workflows. Just like a carpenter uses different tools to build a house, a data scientist uses Scikit-Learn to build machine learning models. Scikit-Learn is like a Swiss Army knife for data scientists, offering a wide range of tools and algorithms for building and optimizing models. The process of using Scikit-Learn is similar to following a recipe when cooking. You gather the ingredients, data, follow the steps, choose a model, train it, evaluate it, and end up with a delicious dish, accurate model predictions. In a way, Scikit-Learn is like having a personal assistant that helps you navigate the complex world of machine learning, making the process simpler and more efficient. Hey, Code Conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The code snippet demonstrates the use of Scikit-Learn, a popular machine learning library in Python, to build a machine learning model for the iris dataset classification task. To start, the necessary libraries are imported. This includes loading datasets, splitting data for training and testing, using the random forest classifier model, and calculating accuracy metrics. The iris dataset is loaded next, followed by dividing the data into training and testing sets using train test split. This step is crucial for training the model on one set and evaluating its performance on unseen data. A random forest classifier model is chosen and trained on the training data using the fit method. Random forest is an ensemble learning method that operates by constructing multiple decision trees during training and outputting the class that is the mode of the class's classification or mean prediction regression of the individual trees. To evaluate the model, predictions are made on the test set using the predict method, and the accuracy of the model is calculated using the accuracy score function from Scikit-Learn. The final step involves printing out the accuracy of the model. The accuracy metric provides insight into how well the model is performing on the test set by comparing the predicted labels to the actual labels. This code snippet showcases a typical workflow of building and evaluating a machine learning model using Scikit-Learn, emphasizing the importance of data preprocessing, model selection, training, and evaluation in the machine learning pipeline. In the real world, Scikit-Learn is extensively used in various industries. One such example is in finance, where banks and financial institutions utilize Scikit-Learn for credit scoring. By training models on historical data, they can predict the creditworthiness of individuals applying for loans or credit cards. This helps in automating the decision-making process and ensuring accurate risk assessment. Another application of Scikit-Learn can be found in healthcare. Medical researchers and professionals leverage this library for tasks such as disease prediction and diagnosis. By analyzing patient data and medical records, machine learning models built using Scikit-Learn can assist in early detection of diseases, personalized treatment recommendations, and outcome predictions. This technology contributes to improving patient care and healthcare outcomes. Across the globe, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.